given the charges.
President Uhuru Kenyatta's trial at the ICC begins next month, and unlike the deputy president who has been continuously present in the courtroom pending the determination of an appeal by the prosecution on a similar application as the president's, the court has allowed Kenyatta to be absent during his trial, except during the opening and closing sessions, during hearings when victims present their views and concerns in person, and during the delivery of judgment. Joshua Kutuny, the Director of Political Affairs in the Office of the President, says Kenyatta is happy. He adds, and I quote, "This is what we have been praying for," end quote. The President's legal team is also satisfied with the court's decision, observing that it reflects the law. The gist of the matter, according to the President's defense team, is that there is an excusal for most of the sittings. And so on the 12th of November, the President will stand before the trial chamber to plead to the 5 counts of charges facing him and perhaps return home. This, however, still doesn't sit well with the African Union. Pleading to the charges before the European-based court is humiliating and not befitting for a sitting head of state, according to the AU. Sources told Citizen TV that some figures within the president's political circle would have preferred that the court granted total rather than partial excusal for the president.
The ICC started listening. At least they started. Tunasema asante kwa sababu our president will not go to sit there.
Kutuny, however, says, and I quote, "We don't want to arm twist the ICC. The president will continue to cooperate with the court," unquote. And rather than embark on a fresh round of shuttle diplomacy to push for the deferral agenda at the United Nations Security Council, the president opted to personally reach out to various heads of state on phone, telling them that he would like his trial to continue and be brought to conclusion, but in his absence. Kutuny confirms that Kenyatta has specifically spoken to members of the council with veto powers, including United States of America's Barack Obama and Britain's David Cameron. The Director of Political Affairs in the Office of the President says Kenyatta has been explaining to them that he has constitutional obligations to meet as a head of state, and this being a new government, there are a lot of challenges that he requires time to put a proper framework to deal with the problems. One of the most glaring problems being the terrorism threat, which he says spills beyond Kenya's borders to the entire global village. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.